Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss quality control of tablets. What is quality control? Quality control is a part of GMP by which quality control personnel analyzes the quality of all factors which involving in production in order to eliminate errors at every stages in production. Quality control is a product oriented and focuses on defect identification. Quality control is actually a set of activities for ensuring quality in products. The activities focus on identifying defects in the actual products produced. Following our specification must be determined prior to the development of the solid dosage form like SGF, which are quality control of raw materials, QC for manufacturing products and equipments, granulation in process control, quality control FTF, which is furnished dosage form, quality control of packaging and labeling, quality control of raw materials for solid dosage form. Some characterization, which are characterization of physical and chemical properties of drugs, substance, chemical properties, especially the identification of impurities, in which impurities is very important and they must be identified in visual inspection, which are with the color and odor. The physical properties of API and excipients such as solubility, hygroscopicity, particle size, density, etc. must be observed. They should be able to provide data to demonstrate the resolution profiles and contents. Uniformity will be satisfactory over a wide range of particle size. In addition to release or resolution, variation in particle shape and or bulk density can also have effect on the uniformity of dosage forms, particularly those manufactured by direct compression or direct encapsulation. Then next one is quality checks during manufacturing. For manufacturing of the solid dosage form, from detailed manufacturing directions specifying equipments and parameters must be specified. The failure to specify the amount of granulating solution resulting in overwetting and dissolution failure of aged batches. The failure to specify the compression machines and operating parameter resulting in contact uniformity failures, which are like physical parameters, physical parameter like temperature, time, particle size, texture, pressure, weight, hardness, thickness, diameter, disintegration, dissolution, friability, moisture content, relative humidity. Then quality control parameter for tablet granulation. What is granulation? Granulation may be defined as a size enlargement process which converts small particles into physically stronger and longer agglomerates. Quality control parameter for granulation are following. Number one, particular size and shape. The particle size and shape of granulation affect the average STF weight variation, disintegration time, granular friability, granulation flowability, and drying rate kinetic of wet granulation. Particle size profiles are particularly important for the tablet made by wet granulation process. The size and even the type of granule can affect the pore size in tablet and have an effect on resolution. The second one is loss on drying, LOD, and moisture content. Inorganic solvent organic solvent are employed, then residual solvent residue are also tested. Then the validation of a drying in order to demonstrate times and level. QC parameter for tablet granulation number 3 is disintegration test of granule is also being done for checking disintegration quality of the products, and assay is also done. A critical step in the manufacture of an oral solid dosage form is the blending of the finer granulation. If uniformity is not achieved at this stage, then one could assume that some dosage unit would not comply with uniformity requirements. Granulation is the act or actually the process of forming or crystallizing into grains. Granules typically have a size range between 0.2 to 0.4 mm depending upon their subsequent use. Agglomeration or particle size enlargement process are also used to modify product properties. Agglomeration of powder is widely used to improve physical properties such as wettability, flowability, bulk density, and product appearance. In-process quality control test (IPQC). IPQC is concerned with providing accurate, specific, and definite description of the procedure to be employed for the recipient of raw material to release of the finished dosage form. In-process testing enables easier identification of problems. It sometimes identifies defective products batch that can be corrected by rework, whereas one that batch has been completed, this may not be possible. Failure to meet in-process control specification indicate either that producer were not followed or some factors out of control. In-process quality control for tablets. IPQC for tablet environment control, which are filter condition, humidity, and temperature monitoring. Materials checking for name, lot number, weight, particle size, bulky density, color and water contents, balance and scales, and granulator and multimill with screen. IPQC for tablet mix and messing. Checking for proper equipment and addition of ingredients. Mixing time and sampling from top, middle and bottom. Checking of binder temperature, rate and addition time, messing time and load reading. Milling speed, wet milling speed, screen equipment checking. IPQC test for drying tablets drying, including cleaning condition of equipments and filter bed. Separate bag for each. Loading uniformity, air temperature, outlet temperature, time of drying, moisture control and determination, proper shifting and control of oversized granules, fine collection and lubrication, proper mixing for specified products. Then we discuss IPQC test for tablets, which are weight variation of tablets, hardness of tablets, thickness, friability, uniformity of contents, disintegration time, resolution test, content of active ingredients. Then IPQC test for coated tablets, which are moisture content of dried granulation, granulation particle size distribution, blend uniformity, individual tablet weight, hardness, thickness, disintegration, impurity profile. Then IPQC problem test include capping, lamination, picking, mottling, weight variation, poor flow, poor mixing, hardness variation. Double compressed tablets may be characterized of or described by a number of specifications. These are includes shape, diameter, thickness, weight, hardness, friability, disintegration time, and resolution characterization. Then diameter and shape. The diameter and shape depend upon die and pitches selected for the compression of tablet. Generally, tablets are discoid in shape, although they may be oval, oblong, round, cylindrical, or triangular. The top or lower surface may be embossed or engraved with a symbol or letters which serve as an additional mean of identifying the source of tablets. Then we discuss tablet thickness. The thickness of the tablet is the only dimensional variation related to the compression process. Tablet thickness is consistent batch to batch or with in a batch only if the tablet granulation or powder blend is adequately consistent in particular size, particle size and size distribution. if the punch tooling is of consistent length, and if the pressure is clean and in good working order. The thickness of individual tablet may be measured with the micrometer. Thickness must be controlled for consumer acceptance of the products and to facilitate packaging. Now we discuss organoleptic properties, which are color, odor, and taste. First of all, color. Many pharmaceutical tablets use color as a vital means of rapid identification and consumer acceptance. The color of a product must be uniform within a single tablet. Non-uniformity of coloring not only lack aesthetic but could be associated with poor quality of product. Then odor. The presence of color in a batch of tablet could indicate stability problems such as the odor of acetic acid in degrading aspirin tablets. However, the presence of an odor could be characterized by the drug like vitamins, added ingredients, flavoring agents, or the dosage from film coated tablet. Taste. Taste is important in consumer acceptance of specially chewable tablets. QC parameter for SDF packaging and labeling. Pharmaceutical manufacturing have to pack and put required labeling to their medicines before they can be sent out of distribution. Every pharmaceutical preparation must comply with the labeling requirements established under manufacturing practice. The label should include the name of the pharmaceutical products, the name of the active ingredients. INNS should be used whenever possible, the amount of the active ingredients in each dosage unit, the number of dosage unit in the container, the batch lot number assigned by the manufacturer, the expiry date and the date of the manufacturer, any special storage condition or handling precaution that may be necessary, direction for use, warning and manufacturer or the person responsible for placing the product on the market. Tablet should be able to withstand handling, include packaging and transportation without losing their integrity. Moisture sensitive forms such as effectiveness tablet should be stored in tightly closed container or moisture proof pack and require the use of separate packages containing water absorbent agents such as silica gel.